All right. Hi, everybody. This is a test flight of the new ROV that I just built. So this is the ROV right here. Not even any protection from water. It's 3 motors, DC motors, a single telephone cord. This was input from people for our last Kids to Work Day ROV. It'd be nice to be able to disconnect it and so that when things got tangled up. This is all printed on my 3D printer. This is a float that's mostly hollow. I have not done the weight and balance and trim on it. It floats, it's positively buoyant, just a little bit. It needs weights. That's what these holes in the cross beams are for, so we can tie weights down on it and trim it out the way we want it. This is a 6-conductor telephone cord, and we're just going to drop it in the water. Here on the other end is the controller, 4 AA's, a microprocessor, some buttons to tell it which way to go, an LED down there to power it on, and we just plug it in right here. So, power on. Now down below, can you see the thing? We'll turn on the light. Light works. Light off, light on. Right forward. Right back. Left forward. Left back. Let's go down. Go up. There's up. He's getting up above the water. Down. It's pushing him down, but because he's positively buoyant, he's got more buoyancy than he can move around. These batteries are about dead, by the way. So, and there's not a lot of room to swim him around here. There's been some trade-offs made on the where the propellers are on the motor. Like I said, you see the lights dim when I run it. This thing's pretty dead, battery-wise. So I can get a lot more power out of this if I move the propellers away from the motors, because right now they're shrouded. You can't get good water flow around. They should be like as far away as this guy is up here on the vertical thruster. But unfortunately, that puts them right into clearance spots on these beams. So the next place is to come way out here on the end, which works. I did that on a previous version. But when you glue them on, then they go out of balance and they whack and make a bunch of noise and sometimes get hung up out here. So this works better for here. But this has been working on this for a few months. It's a great little toy. If I don't count my labor and wear on my parts and everything, I can build these in bulk for about 35 bucks a piece. If I throw in my labor and all that, decide I want to make a profit off of them, then they're going to be closer to 45 or 50 bucks probably. But it's a fun little toy. Definitely need to have him be a little less buoyant. And he needs more space so he can drag this cable around. Sounds like that one motor's hanging up a little bit anyway. So, that noise, that's it running into something. So I'll have to investigate that, but this is the first test run. All right, I'll try it with some new batteries too, see how much better that works. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.